so thankful that you came to our lives. You made mommy and daddy happy. I can feel in your heart that you're a very good kid and you're very humble. And I'm so glad that you are very loving and you're showing your respect to our family here in the Philippines the same way that you do it to our family in the US. During our stay here in the Philippines, I hope that you enjoy and absorb every moment because I know that when you grow old, don't cry. When you grow old, you're gonna keep this memory forever. And I hope that all your wishes come true and mommy is always here to support you. Baby. I love you, baby.